Bartın's Black Sea Secret. "We're here!" shouted Aylin, bouncing in her seat. Her little brother, Emir, pressed his nose to the window. They had arrived in Bartın, a jewel where the green mountains of the Black Sea meet the deep blue water. "Look, Teyze Ace," Aylin pointed. "Is that a river running right through the city?" Teyze Ace smiled. "That's the Bartın River. It's special because it's the only navigable river in the entire Black Sea region that allows large ships to travel inland. We're going to take a boat tour down it, heading towards the coast." Soon, the boat reached the sea, and they turned east towards their main destination, Amasra. "It looks like a painting," whispered Aylin. Amasra sits on a small peninsula, crowned by ancient stone walls. They could see the magnificent Amasra Castle standing proudly, connecting the Buyuk Liman, big harbor, and Küçük Liman, small harbor. They spent the afternoon exploring the castle, learning about its history stretching back thousands of years. Emir loved imagining himself as a soldier protecting the walls. "Imagine the Roman emperors and Genoese traders who walked here," Teyze Ace said. "Bartın is truly built on history." The next day, they drove through the vast, dense forests surrounding Bartın, pine and beech trees creating tunnels of green shade. The air smelled crisp and clean. "The trees go on forever," Aylin exclaimed. Bartın is famous not just for the sea, but for this rich green landscape too. Their journey led them to İnkumu Beach. This stretch of golden sand, specific to Bartın's coastline, curved beautifully around the bay, meeting the waves of the cool Black Sea. Aylin changed quickly and ran straight for the water, laughing as the waves splashed her feet. Emir stayed closer to the shore, busy building the world's sturdiest sandcastle. He noticed some dark, shiny pebbles mixed into the sand. Teyze Ace explained. "Bartın and this region are also historically significant for mining, especially coal. The earth here holds many secrets, both green and black." Later, they took a smaller coastal boat tour. The views of the rocky cliffs were breathtaking. They passed a famous rock formation where a dramatic cliff looked exactly like a weeping face. "That's the Ağlayan Kadın Kayası, or Crying Woman Rock," said Teyze Ace. "Bartın's nature tells dramatic stories." As the sun set, painting the sky in fiery oranges and soft purples over the sea, Aylin leaned back against her brother. "We swam in the Black Sea, walked on medieval walls, and sailed a navigable river. What a mix," she sighed happily. "I never knew one place could hold so much." Emir yawned, already dreaming of castles and forests. "I like Bartın. When we come back, can we explore Tavşan Adası, Rabbit Island?" Teyze Ace tucked them in. Bartın will always be waiting, a beautiful blend of history and nature, ready for more adventure.